Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today is all about indulging in the world of exquisite home decor designs that will sweep you off your feet. From luxurious accents to innovative concepts, we are diving deep into the artistry that transforms houses into breathtaking homes. Let's start our journey with the epitome of elegance, opulent luxury. We will explore the use of rich materials like marble, velvet, and gold accent to create a regal atmosphere, from chandeliers that command attention to intricate moldings that tell the stories of craftsmanship. This segment will showcase how to infuse your space with grandeur. Moving on to the other end of the spectrum, we have the enchanting world of minimalistic chic. Discover how less can truly be more as we delve into the power of clean lines, neutral palettes, and open space. We will explore how to use carefully curated decor pieces to create a serene, clutter free heaven. Our next stop takes us on a journey around the world as we explore the fusion of cultures in home decor, embrace the beauty of diverse influences with Moroccan mosaics to Scandinavian simplicity and everything in between. We will guide you on how artfully blend these elements to craft a unique space that tells your multicultural story. Get ready to be amazed as we step into the future with technological marvels in home decor, from smart lighting that adapts to your mood to hidden sound systems that fill the air with music. We will show you how to seamlessly integrate technology into your design while maintaining aesthetics. Incorporate soothing beauty of nature into your home with our nature's embrace segment. Explore the magic of biophilic designs, a concept of harmonizes indoor spaces with the natural world. Discover how living walls, natural textures, and ample natural light can create an environment that not yours, both your senses and your soul. And there you have it, a captivating journey through an array of stunning home decor designs that will drawn you to the luxurious allure of opulent elegance or the understated charm of minimalistic check. Remember that every design choice you make adds to the tapestry of your home story. As you embark on your design adventure, don't be afraid to experiment, innovate, and let your creativity run wild. Your home is a canvas where you are the artist, and every decor piece is a brush stroke that contributes to the masterpiece you are crafting. If you found this video as enchanting as we did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content.